on the ground.
When that piece of information came in, I knew we had a civil case.
Less than a week after body camera footage was released from the officer-involved shooting in Eagle Point, the family of Matthew Thayer Graves, the man shot and killed by police, is strongly considering legal action.
Get back.
It's the same footage a grand jury saw last week before 5 out of the 7 jurors decided Officer Cardenas acted lawfully in his use of deadly force.
What are you doing, dude?
The altercation started outside the city's Carl's Jr., moving inside the men's restroom.
Was testified at grand jury. It was like maybe 4 feet by 8 feet area.
Graves was shot and killed when during a struggle, a second officer who showed up saw what he thought was a gun. It was a taser.
Officer Cardenas has already heard gun. Is it a gun? Gun. And Officer Cardenas is now unholstering his firearm.
But it's the minutes before his death that caught David Lindhorst's eye.
At every opportunity to de-escalate, the situation was actually escalated.
The family's attorney says they're most focused on the interaction between Graves and the officer. He believes more happened before the body camera footage was even on.
Something that Matthew references several times, don't talk to me like that. But, you know, all the officer is saying is several times is, dude, what are you doing? What the F are you doing?
Still, the footage is just one of many things the family's attorney says he's looking into. He also hopes to speak with witnesses from inside the Carl's Jr., all of whom weren't available to testify at the grand jury proceeding.
They're just like a camera they may have seen or may not have seen.
But what it's really about, he says, is seeking the truth.
Start medical. KOBI, shots fired.
We're asking a lot of questions and wanting to know why that started and why it unfolded the way it did in the camera.